Hello, everyone. Welcome to Personal Finance, Section 210. My name is Professor Reed, and I will be your instructor for this course. First, you want to log onto the Blackboard site, locate our class, Personal Finance, FIN 100, Section 210. Once you're on the Blackboard site, you want to go to the Announcement tab. So any correspondence from me will be posted to the Blackboard site under the Announcement tab and also sent to your school-issued email account. Next, you have the Start Here menu. Up under the Start Here menu is where you're going to find this orientation video. There's an overview of the course. There's also an introduction blog that you need to complete by the 24th of January. This is all about you. It's a way for me as the instructor to learn more about my students, and you can also learn more about your classmate. The great thing is you can earn 2 bonus points already for completing the introduction blog. There are some policies under the Start Here menu, requirements from a technology standpoint, also technical skills required in order to complete this course. Next, you have the My Instructor tab, which just has my contact information. So right now we're in a virtual world, so this is my office number, although we're not on campus yet. So here is my mobile number that you can call, leave a voicemail, text message to, along with my email address. And these are my virtual office hours, meaning that I'm going to be online during these times. So if you want to send me an email, which you can email me anytime, but if you email during these time periods, you will probably get a quicker response because I'll be online during those times highlighted here under my virtual office hours. Next, you have an introduction, a little bit more about the course, as well as information about me as being your instructor. So just take some time to review the information up under the My Instructor tab. Next tab is the syllabus and schedule. So here you have a copy of the course syllabus along with the course outline. So the course outline indicates the chapters we're going to cover during each week of the semester, your exam dates, midterm and final, or in bold, any special dates such as spring break, not spring break, but spring break, or in italics, along with the course project due dates. And you'll hear more about the course project a little later in the semester. I'm going to take a look at the actual course syllabus. There's information about the COVID-19 protocol. If you want to get all the latest information, you can click on the COVID-19 website for the latest updates. There's section information, instructor information, communication expectations, as well as a description of this course. And of course, this class focuses on personal finance. So we'll look at personal financial planning and look at basic knowledge that you should have about your finance and how to do budgets. We look at things such as investments, insurance, how to buy a house, how to buy a vehicle, stock market, bonds. So we're going to look at a lot of things that you're going to be able to actually use in your personal finance, okay? It has the course learning outcomes. Now, required course material. We are using a textbook. It is called Personal Finance by Jeff Adore, the 7th edition. In addition to the textbook, you will also require to purchase an access code for My Finance Lab. Now, if you purchase a new textbook via the community college website, it does come with an access code. if you purchase a textbook from a different site or a used textbook, you may not have an access code, which means you will still be required to purchase an access code if one is not presented with your textbook. And we'll talk more about how to purchase an access code a little bit later. There are requirements about technology that you can read about in the syllabus. Of course, this is an online course. It'll be administered using the internet. So all of your quizzes, exams, and assignments will be submitted through My Finance Lab. Your introduction blog and course project will be submitted via the Blackboard site. And so, of course, you will hear more about how to submit assignments throughout the course of the semester. Grading policy, it tells how many points you can earn for your midterm, your final course project, your quizzes, and homework assignment. And this is showing how many points you must accumulate in order to earn each letter grade in the course. All of the points earned will be recorded in the Blackboard Grade Center. Attendance policy. This is an online course, and maybe you're asking, how do we determine attendance? It's determined by the completion of a required assignment for the course. So for each week in which you complete at least one required assignment, you will be marked present for the week. For each week that you do not complete at least one required assignment, you will be marked absent for that week. And during the first 2 weeks of the semester, if a student does not complete at least one required assignment, whether it's introduction block, homework, quiz, that student may be withdrawn from the course for non-attendance. So make sure you stay current with your assignments and complete those assignments on time. Read the policy about late work, missed exams. There's policies about the withdrawal date, disability resources, and access information. So be sure to read the various policies listed on your syllabus, including the health and safety policy. And then again, you have a copy of your course outline indicating what chapters we're going to cover during each week of the semester. Okay, so thoroughly review the information on the syllabus. I'm going to go back now to the Blackboard site. Now, under Blackboard, you're going to have lecture notes for each chapter. You're going to have video lectures as well as PowerPoint presentations out there for each of these chapters. I strongly recommend that you take advantage of these resources, watch the video lectures, as well as review the PowerPoint presentation. Next tab is for My Finance Lab. So I'm going to click on that tab. Here you have the registration form. Let me open this up. You're going to click on this form in order to register for My Finance Lab. You're going to follow these instructions. So again, if you purchase a book from the bookstore, it will come with an access code, and you will enter the access code upon going to the My Finance site. If you did not purchase a new textbook, you will be given the option to purchase an access code. Now, they have different access code types. There's an access code that allows you to access the My Finance Lab site only. There's an access code that allows you to purchase the My Finance site as well as an ebook. So you're not required to have a hard copy of the book. If you prefer, you can purchase an access code along with an ebook as well. Now, perhaps you're saying, I'm still waiting for my financial aid to clear up, not a problem. You can use My Finance Lab for a 14-day grace period free of charge. They will give you temporary access when you go through the registration process. Now, at the end of those 14 days, you are required to purchase an actual access code. But every student for this course must have access to My Finance Lab. And if you have any questions on the process of registration, feel free to contact me. Okay? So let me go to My Finance Lab for a second. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Of course, I'm registered already, and I'm going there for you. And of course, our class is the 210, so go to our course. Let me go to Student View. Okay, so on the Student View, you're going to have your course calendar. If you click on the assignments, it's going to show you the actual assignments. Actually, you can't see it right now because of the dates I put out there. So let me go back to my view so you can see. So these are the different assignments that you're going to have to complete in My Finance Lab each week. You're going to have homework and a quiz that you must complete for each chapter. It will indicate the actual due date for each of those assignments. So once again, you're going to access My Finance Lab in order to complete your homework and your quiz assignments for each chapter. Okay? So going back to the Blackboard site, you do have various other tabs with other information out there to review. So take some time to review the different tabs out there on the Blackboard site. If you have any questions for me, again, you can click on your syllabus. It does have my contact information. Also upon the My Instructor tab, you also can find my information. Okay, let's get ready for an exciting semester dealing with personal finance. We do have some other exciting things we're going to talk about, like the stock market game. We will play a stock market game this semester as well, and you'll hear more about the stock market game in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so I'm looking forward to meeting you all in a virtual world, and with that being said, I will say, let's get ready. Okay, bye-bye.